January 20th, United States have a new president and a new vice president. And then the Biden administration, keeping with its promise, send over a new immigration bill. It will completely overhaul the United States immigration system as we know it, okay? This video is provided by the law office of John Wosu that wanted to provide you a quick detail of what is in this bill. We're already getting calls from all over, from our clients families, asking us what is in this bill. So this is just a quick 4-page fact sheet of what is in this bill, okay? I hear that the actual legislation proposal is over 100 and something pages. So I will do more video as I get more information. Right now, I will ask you to share these videos with your friends, share it on your feeds, send it to everyone you know that may be impacted by this new bill, okay? And remember, this is a proposed bill. It's not law yet. We're already getting calls from all over the country, from our clients, asking us what is in this bill. So that's why I decided to do this quick video that will explain, give a little bit summary of this. As I get more information, I will do a series of videos. Let's start. It's called United States Citizenship Act of 2021, okay? And the first part, that I will talk about is provides pathway to citizenship and strengthen labor and protection laws, okay? So this and what is in this bill, it will create an end roadmap for citizenship for undocumented individuals. So this will allow undocumented individuals to apply immediately for what is called temporary legal status. What does that mean? They should be able to get work permit. And also, it allows them to apply for green card after 5 years if they pass criminal and national security background checks and pay their taxes. So you have to pay your taxes, okay? Also, in this proposed bill, Dreamers and TPS holders, TPS is temporary protected status, and immigrant farm workers who meet specific requirements are eligible for green card immediately under the legislation. These specific requirements, we don't have this information yet. It's probably in the in the complete bill as we will keep doing the video, like I say, as we get more information. But the main criteria here is like the applicants must be physically present in the United States by on or before January 1 of 2021 to be eligible. Also, it did say that the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security may waive the physical presence requirement at least 3 years prior to the removal if someone was deported, on or after January 2017, they may apply for a waiver, okay? And another interesting thing is, is proposing to change, because they call immigrants in the United States, in the laws, they call them aliens, okay? It will propose to change them to non-citizens. So it's in the books, okay? Another second information that is on the act is called keeping families together. This one, pay attention. This is very, very interesting. This is a big proposal, okay? This is aimed at clearing backlogs. Some of you that are, apply for your families that are waiting outside the United States know how long. If you apply for your siblings, it takes about 15 years. It depends on the country. Some countries it take over 20 years if you apply. So this is aimed at reducing that backlog. And also, I don't know, some of you know about the 3-year and the 10-year bar, which means people that came here, usually you saw that in people that came here with visa and they overstay their stay. When they leave, if you overstay by 100, if you overstay by 180 days and less than 1 year, you'll be barred for re-entering the United States for 3 years. If you overstay over 1 year, you have what is called a 10-year bar. This bill is seeking to eliminate that, okay? And another thing in the bill says, okay, this one is big, okay? It allows immigrants with approved family-sponsored petitions to join their family in the United States on temporary basis while they wait for their green card to become available. Did you hear that? It means that those of you that applied for your children, for your brothers, for your sisters, and already have the I-130 approved. Now they're waiting for the visa to be available. Now those siblings and their families, they can actually apply and come and live here in the United States while they wait for their green card to be available. This is wonderful. If it passes the Congress, it will eliminate, this family separation that everyone has complained about. I have families that have been waiting for 15 years for their children to join them, for their siblings to join them. This will eliminate that. Okay. Another provision in the bill says, aiming, there's diversity visa lottery. This is for not every country is eligible. This will increase it. Currently in the law, the diversity visas provision is just 55,000, visas that's every year. So it's asking the bill is proposing to increase it to 80,000 visas, from 55,000 to 80,000. Okay, so adding additional 25,000 visas. Okay, and another one says promote immigrant and refugee integration and citizenship. Okay, this will provide funding to state and local government and private organizations, to promote integration, inclusion, and increase English language instructions. Okay, another provision of the bill, says grow our economy. This bill aims to clear employment-based visa backlogs, recapture unused visas, and reduce lengthy wait times. Okay, and another key provision here that will affect a lot of people, graduates of United States universities with advanced STEM degrees can stay in the United States, and work. This improves access to green cards for workers in low-wage sectors and eliminates unnecessary hurdles for employment-based green cards. The bill also provides for dependents of H-1B visa holders work authorization and children's, children's will be prevented from aging out. What does aging out mean? Sometimes you apply for your child, and then they age out. By the time the visa become available, they're already like maybe 22 or 23, and they're no longer eligible for the class of visa that you applied. This will eliminate the aging out provision. And also it allows, there's a lot of people on H-1B and their spouses are here with them, but they cannot work. So this will allow those spouses to be working, to be contributing to the economy, and also to be paying taxes. Okay? The bill also aims to protect workers from exploitation and improve employment verification process. So this just means exactly what it says, because a lot of us know that immigrants are exploited by employers. I've had stories, from immigrants to working, they don't get paid, they're threatened because of their immigration status, and also it will help in improving employment verification status, so that it makes so that, of course, eliminates employers from having illegal non-citizens working for them. Okay, and the next provision says supplement existing border resources with technology and infrastructure. Okay, so this is, basically, Biden is against, President Biden has spoken out against the physical barrier, the wall that President Trump has touted about building on the south border. So this is aiming at, doing this with technology, doing it the right way, doing it the humane way, providing resources to the department, the border patrol, of tools that actually needed that will work in preventing this. Okay, and another is another provision says manage border and protect border communities. So the bill provides funding for training and continuing education to promote agent and officer safety and professionalism. Okay, and another one has to do with crackdown on criminal organizations. So this bill will provide funding to help in cracking down people that smuggle and traffic. The trafficking networks is all over the southern border. You hear it in the news all the time. This will provide resources to enforcing that. Okay. Also, the bill aims, another provision is start from the source. The bill will provide and fund the president's $4 billion a year interagency plan to address underlying causes of migration in the region by increasing assistance to the country of El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, to help so that it prevent, you see this on the news, people in caravans trying to come into the country. They're going to the source now to provide some help to stop these people trying to flee their country. Okay. And another provision says improve immigration courts and protect vulnerable individuals. Okay. What does this do? Everybody knows. I have some cases in immigration court now that I have court days for 2024. A lot of these people are waiting. They cannot work. They can't do anything while they're waiting. This will help in, this bill proposes to provide resources to this immigration court to help move things faster. I have no idea how that is going to work, but that is in the bill. Okay. And then the last provision on this is support asylum seekers and other vulnerable provision. The key thing here is increases, this one, everybody know if you have to apply for asylum, you have to apply for asylum when you enter United States. Within 1 year of you arriving with United States, it's called a 1 year bar. This bill is seeking to remove that. There will not be 1 year bar, so which means you can apply for asylum even after you've stayed in the United States for over a year. Also, the bill is seeking to raise the cap for U visas from 10,000 to 30,000. Currently, it's only 10,000. U visas are victims of criminal activities, that helped law enforcement. They should be able to get U visas. This is, removing the cap from 10,000 to 30,000. So there is a big backlog on U visas. Also, this also increases protections for VAWA applicants. Okay, like I said, this is just a 4-page, fact sheet of what is contained in this 100 of pages of bills. Okay, of course, it has to pass Congress before it becomes bill. Okay, so for this video, it gives you a quick summary. I will continue to provide videos as I learn more. So what I want you to do with this video, share with your friends, share with everybody that share it on your feed so that more people will see this. Okay, and like I said, we are here at the Law Office of John Nwosu. We are based in Dallas, Texas. We do help immigrants all over the country. So if you have any questions, do feel free to call us. Our phone number is 214-631-4646. You can also find us on Instagram if you just search, Law Office of John Nwosu. We are on Facebook and we are on YouTube. We are also on TikTok. So you can find us on any social media network. Okay? All right. Thank you. And like I said, share this with everybody that you know. It will help them. It provides a detailed, summary of the information in the new bill. Okay. As I get more information, I will do more, of these videos. So make sure that you subscribe so you do not miss any updates. I will follow this bill. I will track it, and I will provide you information as it comes. If you need any kind of consultation and to discuss your unique situation, make sure that you call us. Okay, you can call us, contact us online, go to our website, www.johnnwosu.com, and make an appointment. I will be able to discuss your own unique facts and explain to you how this particular bill will affect your situation. Okay, thank you.